Hi friends, in our last video we demonstrate all the feature of this POS system and we also show you that how to create the product everything. Today we are going to demonstrate the sales process, how to create the sales order and how to handle the customers. So before going to start, I am going to log in with user ID and password. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard. In the dashboard is clearly mentioned what is your sales value, total of the sales and your total quantity that you already sold. Same way the purchase quantity and same way your chart of account and other bank of details. We already demonstrated these dashboard in our previous window in introduction video. You can go and you can view the thing each and every detail. So let's start the sales module. Once you click it, it will be open all the sub modules. So before starting any sales, we require only two things. One is the item master that we also called as a product master. Second thing is the customer master. In my last video, we demonstrated how to create the products. Today we are going to demonstrate how to create the customers. So once you click on this customer, it will be open all the customer that already created into the system. If you want to create any new customer, click on the add button. If you want to modify any customer, you just click on this three dot. It will be open a pop-up. You want to edit or delete. If you click on the edit, it will be open the customer master where you can change the customer details. Just take an example. This customer is Rahul. I am changing the customer name. Once I click on the save, it will be save the customer name. Yeah. Now I'm going to create new customer. I'm put here the name of the customer. This code will be automatic come here as a sequence number. Here you can type your customer address and other details. If you have the tax, VAT and GST and service tax number of the customer, you can type here. Otherwise leave it blank. This is a optional field. Here you can type the customer country as well. If you migrate this customer from your old ERP to this ERP, then you can type here the opening balance of the customer. You can change the customer opening balance as a debit and get it. Yeah. I'm just click on the save button. It will be create a new customer for me. So we have two type of the sales. One is by B2B, another one by B2C. For B2B, we can create the sales order via here, and for the B2C, you can click on the POS button. POS full form is point of sales. Once you click on this sub menu here POS, it will be open the point of sale option here, and there is another option is also there is a one command button. If you click on this button, it will also open your POS. So I'm clicking on this POS button, it will open your POS. We have some configuration into the backend that we have a default customer because most of the customer are not giving their mobile ID and phone number, so we can bill it on the cash customer. It will also open your store ID based on your default store. If you have permission of multiple store, it will be open the list of your stores which are available into your system based on your role and permission. So I have only Gurgaon store rights, so it will be open me only Gurgaon. If you have a touch screen, you can click on this particular items. These product we are created in our last demonstration. Once you click it here, it will be show you a warning message if you don't have the inventory. That negative stop is added. Do you want to continue? I'll just put it here, yes. Or it will be insert a new line in my invoice. I can change the quantity from this plus and minus button here as well, and I can click on the same item again. It will increase the quantity. If I want to decrease, I just click here for the decrease quantity. If I want to remove this completely line, I can click on this delete icon here as well. Let's take an example. I want to create two items in my invoices. So I selected two items. One is namkeen, other one is the coffee. There are multiple feature available in the right side. If you want to put any comment, you just write on the note. And if you want to give any discount, there is a flat discount option is also available into the systems. If you click on this button clear, it will be remove all the information from the top. So I choose again total quantity of each product. If you want to make it order as a draft and you want to bill someone else customer, you just click here on the draft. It will also clear your screen. If you want to again retrieve that particular invoice, you just click here. It will be show you all the draft order. If you know the customer name by name of the customer, by phone number and other information, you can retrieve the invoice again. Let's take example. Now I want to pay the amount. I click on the pay button. It will be open a new pop-up. If you want to completely pay this amount by the card, you just click here the card. System will pay all the amount by card. If you want to pay by partially, you just put it here the bifurcation of the amount. Let's take an example, 10 rupees I want to pay with the card and rest 400 I want to pay as a cash. I just click here pay and print. It will be open an invoice where it show you all the information, your company name, your mobile address, your item quantity, their prices, and your subtotal, your discount percentage, and your total amount. It's also show you the information that how you pay by the card and other informations. I created one more invoice for single item and I want to pay by the only card only. So it will be give you the information that you pay this amount by the card, this much amount. If you want to download the invoice, you just click on the download. It will be download your invoice. If you want to print the invoice, you just click on the print invoice. It will be print your invoice by the default printer. So thank you guys. Today we cover only this POS scheme. In my next video, we will cover the B2B and other features. Thank you.